Upgrade your viewing experience with the top 5 best motorized projector screens. Whether you're setting up a home theater, classroom, or conference room, these high-quality screens offer effortless operation, stunning visuals, and premium materials. From 4K Ultra HD support to ambient light rejection, discover the perfect screen to transform your space. Number 1. Aoxun 110-inch Motorized Projector Screen. The Aoxun 110-inch Motorized Projector Screen is a premium choice for home theaters, presentations, and outdoor movie nights. With a 16:9 aspect ratio and a 110-inch diagonal screen size, 95.9 inches by 53.9 inches, it offers an immersive viewing experience. The compact carton size, 107.2 inches by 5.3 inches by 4.9 inches, and lightweight 24 pounds design make it easy to handle and install. Equipped with an energy-efficient, quiet motor, this screen ensures smooth operation while extending its longevity. The radio frequency remote control and wall-mountable control panel provide effortless operation from a distance. Crafted with premium PVC matte material, the screen boasts a 160 degrees viewing angle and 1.2 gain, delivering vibrant colors and sharp contrast. The 4-layer black-back design eliminates light penetration, enhancing picture quality. Installation is a breeze, arriving fully assembled. It's plug-and-play ready with a durable housing for secure wall or ceiling mounting. Plus, its surface is easy to clean with soap and water. Perfect for home entertainment, business meetings, and classrooms, the Aoxun 110-inch screen is backed by friendly customer service, ensuring a seamless and satisfying viewing experience. Number 2. Akia Motorized Projector Screen. The Akia 102-inch Motorized Projector Screen is a top-tier choice for immersive home theater experiences, business presentations, and educational settings. With a 102-inch diagonal size and a 16:9 HD format aspect ratio, it delivers a cinematic feel. The 50-inch HX 88.9-inch W viewing area ensures a large, vivid display, while the 97.2-inch HX 97.2-inch W black metal housing adds durability and a sleek aesthetic. It is compatible with ultra-short, short, and standard, long, throw projectors for versatile use. Certified by ISF, Imaging Science Foundation, the CineWhite screen material guarantees accurate color reproduction, making it 8K per 4K Ultra HD and Active 3D ready. With a 180 degrees viewing angle and 1.1 gain, it delivers sharp, vibrant images from multiple perspectives. The fully black-backed surface eliminates light penetration, enhancing contrast. The industrial-grade motorized scissor-backed riser allows smooth, precise movement with a built-in infrared and radio frequency receiver. It comes with RF and IR remote controls, and the 12V trigger syncs with the projector's power cycle. Backed by an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer since 2004, the Akia screen includes a manufacturer's warranty and lifetime US-based tech support, ensuring a premium and hassle-free viewing experience. Number 3. Vivid Storm Motorized Floor Rising Screen. The Vivid Storm 120-inch Motorized Floor Rising Screen is a premium choice for ultra-short throw, UST, laser projectors, designed to deliver outstanding visuals even in ceiling ambient light conditions. Featuring a special optical sawtooth structure and light-rejecting filter, it effectively reflects projected light while blocking overhead lighting for a crisp, vibrant image. With a 120-inch diagonal size, 16:9 aspect ratio, and 104.57-inch WX 58.82H viewing area, this screen ensures a breathtaking viewing experience. Made from ultra-short throw ambient light rejecting ALR material, it provides 0.6 gain, 97% ALR resistance, and supports 8K per 4K Ultra HD and Active 3D. The 170 degrees viewing angle allows for clear visuals from multiple perspectives. Designed with eye comfort in mind, projectors using this screen reflect light instead of emitting it, reducing eye strain compared to traditional TVs. Its space-saving, motorized floor-rising design extends upward smoothly with Vivid Storm's unique wire tension technology, maintaining a flat, glass-like surface. Setup is effortless, just plug in the power cord and enjoy. Backed by a trusted ISO 9001 certified manufacturer since 2004, this screen includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and expert customer support. Available in 72 to 120 inches, it's perfect for any space, bringing the cinematic experience home, day or night. Number 4. Elite Screen's 180-inch Motorized Projector Screen. The Elite Screen's 180-inch Motorized Projector Screen is an excellent choice for those seeking a large, high-quality projection display for home theaters, classrooms, or conference rooms. With a massive 180-inch diagonal size, 16:9 aspect ratio, and viewing dimensions of 88.2-inch hx 156.7w, this screen ensures a truly immersive viewing experience. The sleek black casing adds a professional touch, complementing any space. Crafted with Max White 2 material, the screen offers 1.1 gain, making it 4K Ultra HD and Active 3D ready. The fully black-backed surface enhances contrast, while the 180 degrees viewing angle ensures a clear picture from any direction. It's also easy to clean with just soap and water. Equipped with infrared, IR, and radio frequency, RF, remotes, a wall box controller with built-in IR sensor, and a wireless 12V trigger, this screen offers multiple control options. The user-friendly programmable vertical drop and built-in RF channel selection make it easy to customize and prevent interference. Arriving fully assembled, installation is quick and hassle-free with the included wall-ceiling mounting kit. Backed by a 2-year per 3-year ENRG warranty and lifetime US-based tech support, Elite Screens ensures a top-tier viewing experience with reliable service. Number 5. NothPJ Motorized Projector Screen. The NothPJ Motorized Projector Screen is a premium fixed-frame display designed for 4K Ultra HD and Ultra Short Throw (UST) projectors. Engineered for home theaters, classrooms, and conference rooms, it delivers an expansive, high-resolution viewing experience with sharp, vibrant visuals. Designed for low ambient light environments, this black grid ambient light rejecting (ALR) screen features a multi-layer optical structure that rejects 95% of ambient light, ensuring exceptional color accuracy and brightness. Whether watching movies, gaming, or delivering presentations, this screen maintains superior image clarity and contrast. With a 120-inch diagonal size and 16:9 aspect ratio, the ultra-slim 0.4-inch aluminum frame enhances the aesthetic appeal while maximizing the viewing area. The 170 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle ensures crisp and clear visuals from nearly any seating position, making it perfect for movie nights, live sports, weddings, and events. Designed for easy assembly, the screen includes a full installation kit and detailed instructions for hassle-free setup. For best results, installation should be performed by at least 2 people in a 108 square feet room. With its superior ALR technology, seamless image reproduction, and sleek design, the NothPJ projector screen brings a true cinematic experience to any space.